You join me 5 minutes into the first half and Darren is in fine form, tackling the shower fit with ease. He's hoping to create a golden shower moment here. There's been no nasty challenges so far.
For f***'s sake, mate. It's off.
He's been great in training all week and now he's got an opportunity to show what he's made of. Oh, incredibly done. No hesitation, no time wasting. This game really will be over before it's even started, much like his second marriage.
You're such a...
Oh, look at that! Straight into the box, and he slotted it home nicely. No wonder his mistress goes to work with a smile on her face. He's made that look so easy. Let's watch that again. He just guided the screw into the top corner. It's a fantastic ending to an incredible performance. He really deserved the win here. What a result that is. So another great display completed very quickly. Talk us through your tactics. He's a humble man in a league of his own, and despite his questionable off-the-field antics, he's today's man of the match.